good evening wherever you are. If you like this video, feel free to like, comment, share and subscribe. There'll be a quote at the end. Today's subject is jigsaws. So here's the comedy bit, Cheeky Monkey. I know you're already laughing. This is what I got a previous Christmas from one of my sisters. And I thought, oh great, I could have this with a meal. Lo and behold, when I opened it up, it's not garlic puree, it's a jigsaw. It's the turtle and the dolphin. You should be able to see that. There's the dolphin and there's the turtle. And now these jigsaw pieces are really tiny. I'll show you again. I'll open it up now. Cheeky Monkey out of the way. I've also got a stopwatch here. I'll reset it. As you can see, it's going. It goes in a half hour, 1 hour. That's the aim. I'll see if I can do it in an hour. Just reset it. I'll open up the jigsaw and show you these pieces. They're incredibly tiny. Here's a penny piece. It's about the same size as a 1 US cent piece or a penny, or even I believe a Canadian 1 cent piece or a penny. This is 1 penny British sterling. That's how small it is, on the tip of my finger, little finger, really tiny. I don't know how many pieces there are in here, maybe a couple of hundred. So I'll just get it ready. I may speed this video up as well, or do 2 versions, one in real time if the lights hold, and one speeded up. So here we go, here are the pieces, looks like a couple of hundred. Here are some with the coins around. Just put them in the way, so out of the way here. And let's get to it. Start the stopwatch. See if I can do it. 2 rotations for half an hour and 1 for an hour. Let's get started. As you can see, I'm abandoning this jigsaw. It's beaten me. I'll turn the stopwatch off. Cheeky Monkey's laughing. It's not only beaten me, but he's laughing so much because the phone cut out after 30 minutes. Luckily, I got up after 45 minutes or so, and it beat me. And it's just too difficult. The colours and the size particularly is really, really hard. I do online jigsaws so much faster. This one would have taken me probably much sooner. I'll actually do a link, there'll be a link in the description for that site. I'll probably do some reviews on that as well. So anyway, thanks for watching, and I hope you had a laugh. Anyway, you can stop laughing now, Cheeky Monkey. This challenge defeated me. So until next time, thanks for watching. Bye.